You don't need expensive lighting gears to make your video look like it was professionally edited. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this lighting setup in my video using Capcut. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this lighting setup in my video using Capcut. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this lighting setup in my video using Capcut.
Now first go to Capcut and import your videos and then drag it onto the timeline. Now this next step is going to make any video look better. So go to the adjustment tab and select curves. Now make a point somewhere around there and drag it upwards. Just a little bit upwards. Then move down, make a point around there and drag it slightly downwards. You can see the difference after using that effect. Now the next thing we'll do is to duplicate the main video. So you go ahead and copy and paste it. Okay, now click on the overlay and reduce the volume. Go to audio and reduce the volume, or if you know the shortcut, you can just reduce the volume a little bit. Okay, once that is done, you can also go ahead and go to the basic tab and increase the scale of the overlay. This is because later when we add the blur effect, the edges created by the blur effect won't be visible. So just increase it a little bit, say to about 105. Now go to remove background and select the auto removal. Then you have to wait for some minutes for that process to be complete. Now select the main video and go to the basic tab and select the relight option. Click on ambient and select this effect and then allow it to completely upload. Now once that is done, you can adjust the lighting position. And then for light 1, go to type and select point. And for object, select background. Then you can go ahead to select your preferred color and then adjust the brightness and other settings to your preference and make it look as natural as possible. So once you're done with light 1, you can repeat the same process for light 2. If you like, you can also add a third light, but I think 2 is enough. Now select the overlay, go to the basic tab and click on the relight option. This time go to facial and click on the soft face option. Okay, go ahead and adjust the lighting position to be facing you on any angle, either left or right. Now click on type and select point, and for object, select people. Once that is done, you can then adjust the other settings to suit your video. The next step is to click on the plus button to add a side light. Now position it on the left or on the right side. Now go to type and here select directional, and for object select people. Then once that is done, you can choose the color you like. And then adjust the setting. Here you can increase the intensity and then decrease the distance. You can also adjust the brightness to suit your preference. So after that is done, I will now show you how to add your background blur. So go to Effects. On the Lens tab, select and drag the blur effect onto the background video. And then adjust the intensity to your preference. So the next step to enhance your video is to add an adjustment. We'll go to the Adjustment tab and select Custom Adjustment and drag it onto the timeline. And then drag it to the end of the video, and then on the right side you can adjust the settings to your preference.
Now this is how the video looks afterwards. If you would also like to change the background of your video, then go watch this video and learn how you can set up a fake but realistic background using Capcut. I hope this was helpful. Please go try it out and leave your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.